how to change your Amazon Alexa password online. The very first thing you need to do is get into your alexa.amazon.com. Then from here, when you tap on sign in on the top right corner, here you'll actually be able to find the option of sign in. So all you need to do is sign into your Amazon account, right? So after you have successfully signed into your Amazon account, you'll actually be able to, tap on your account icon right here, or else you can directly get into your Amazon account like that too on your Amazon.com. And then from there, you can tap on your account, like I said, and then you can tap on login and security. We're going to now change our Amazon account since the Amazon is directly linked with your Alexa. Once you change your Amazon account, your Alexa password will also be changed. So like I said, you can get into your login and security, and when you tap on edit option next to the password, your current password, you'll actually be able to enter your changes and rewrite the password one more time in order for the confirmation. Then when you tap on save, just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your Amazon Alexa password online.